What you do, it's your boy Heavy Crypto, and you already know always find ways to make money with cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. And you already know that we agreed to start a challenge of turning 100 USD to 100,000 USD. So this is an ongoing challenge, and we're still in the process of completing this challenge. But as I'm recording this video, I think I have got like 26k in my wallet so far. I pretty much recorded the whole process from scratch, where I only had like 100 USD in my wallet. Till now I've got approximately, I think, at least 30k in my wallet, and I'm going to show you by the end of this video. So we are still in this challenge as I'm recording this video. So this was my day one of actually starting this challenge, and I only had like 100 USD in Solana, so I decided to buy ICC coin, which is called Internet Call Center, and this coin was sitting around 110,000 market cap, know what I mean? So I bought it, and then this was my first day, and my wallet was like 98 USD. I was kind of like depressed and stuff like that, so I kept it. But like there was potential of this meme coin to go upside, because like Indian call centers like in the US and stuff like that are really popular. So I had to believe in it. So I recorded pretty much the whole journey and stuff like that, and I'm gonna show you my day two, but this was like my first day of buying this coin, and then it went up and it went crazy. I actually like recorded pretty much everything on camera, and I'll leave my wallet address in the description below so that you can also be able to track all the transactions and stuff like that. So this was my first day, and therefore I'll see you in a second day of turning 100 USD into 1000 USD. What it do, YouTube? This is like the second day of turning 100 USD into 1000 USD. So you already know that yesterday we bought Internet Call Center with 100 USD, and right now it did like 10x, what I mean. So I had to believe in Internet Call Center because their community is actually strong and stuff like that. And you can see also the chart that it actually did 10x, and this is a Telegram group that I was checking into and stuff like that. So our wallet was now worth 1000 USD. So I tried to buy other shit coins on DEX and stuff like that, and I managed to get to at least 5k and stuff like that. So if you're in my Telegram group, you already know I have been updating you guys on how exactly I was buying these shit coins and stuff like that, and the link to my Telegram is going to be in the description below as well. It's free to join, know what I mean? So this was a day two of turning $100 into 100,000 USD, and this is what we have done so far, know what I mean? 10x in a day. It's not bad. So let's go, and I'll see you in a day three. All right, gang. So this is a day three of turning 100 USD to 100,000 USD. So you already know I bought ICC and it did 16x. So what I did next is I sold ICC for 16x, and I got 8 Solana, and then I bought MC Queen for 1 Solana, and I also put 2 Solana in Jesus coin. So the community is working hard and stuff like that. So this is how my wallet looked like on day 3, and we're still going, and we believe that we're gonna make it to 100 USD. And so I've been posting all this on a Telegram group special for this and stuff like that, and I'll leave my wallet in the description below as well so that you can trust it. But so far this is how my wallet looked like. I recorded pretty much the whole journey, and you can see how we've been performing. So I'll see you in day 4, but keep in mind that we're trading on DEX, and there's high risk of getting scammed and stuff like that. You have to pay attention to the coins that you're buying. So I just wanted to highlight that point, but I'll see you in day 4. This is the day 4 of turning 100 USD to 100,000 USD. So you already know that yesterday we bought some Jesus coin, and then I was still holding it and stuff like that, but I swapped 1 Solana for WOMP coin. So as the community is also fun and stuff like that. So this is how my wallet looked like on day 4. So I'll see you in day 5 as we keep on growing the wallet and stuff like that. So it has been only like 4 days since I started this challenge of turning 100 USD to 100,000 USD. So so far we're doing good. I'll see you in day 5, and then we're gonna see how my wallet performed and stuff like that. And guys, let me know if you enjoy this kind of videos whereby I'm recording the whole journey of turning of actually trading live and turning these from 100 to whatever number you want. And keep in mind that we are still in this challenge, so you can actually pretty much join the challenge and just be a member on my Telegram group and stuff like that. Therefore you can join the challenge, and then let's have fun, you know what I mean? So this is day 5 of turning 100 USD to 100,000 USD. On day 5, I sold my warmth to Solana because the team could not add the liquidity and stuff like that, so I had to sell. And then I decided to buy some TOR, is a shitcoin there, so I bought some shitcoin. And I was still holding my Jesus coin, as you can see right here, and it has 1 million market cap, you know what I mean? So this is how my wallet looked like on day 5. So I'll see you in day 6. So far it has been like a week right now, recording the whole process and stuff like that. You know what you can do is just to subscribe and leave a like button for your algorithm and stuff like that. So I'll see you in day 6, as I'm still recording the whole process and the journey and stuff like that, just so that I can prove to you that everything is possible. So I'll see you in day 6. So what I'm gonna do is, you know, we're just gonna I'm gonna release part 2. If you guys like these videos and stuff like that, I'm gonna release part 2, whereby we're gonna continue where we are right now. We are currently sitting at 3,000 USD. We're gonna start from there and take off until we made it to 100,000 USD. So this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in part 2, and part 2 is gonna be released tomorrow. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram group, and all the links gonna be in the description below as well. And if you're wondering like how exactly do I find these opportunities and stuff like that, well, to know where the market is gonna go, or to know where the price is gonna go, I use heavy crypto indicators and stuff like that. And the and the link to all these indicators as well gonna be in the description below. Therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace again.